G'day guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm off to Sydney to the Young Henry's Brewery, who's premiering the movie 50 Weight, presented by Brixton. So I'm taking the soft towel out today. I've got a new seat on there that I want to trial out. I'm also, before we get to Sydney, we're meeting up with a crew in Wollongong. So I'm running super late. I can't find my winter gloves anywhere. So let's get going. I fucking hate rushing. I couldn't find me bloody straps for my bag. I couldn't find me winter gloves, so no doubt they're all together hidden somewhere. But I just got to the fuel station in North Wollongong. So this is the first meeting spot of the day, and I wasn't the only one running late. So the others are probably at least half an hour away. Oh, that's not them. Some of them can't even get a hold of the others. Others will. Anyway, everyone's missing. Everyone's lost, so I've got a bit of time here before they get here. But today we are off to Sydney to meet a bunch of the Sydney crew. Then we got a bit of a ride around the city, and then we are off to, I think we're meeting at maybe another bike shop or two before hitting Young Henry's for the movie premiere. So supposedly they got a handful of parking for all the bikes there. There might be a few cars, but I'll get as much content as I can. And as I said in the intro, I am also running a new seat, so I was finally able to pick up a big comfy boy for this soft tail. As you would have seen in previous videos, I was running a chopper style seat, which is perfect for around town, but big day rides and multi-day rides, shit house. So shout out to Laurie at USA Motorcycles for tracking this one down for me, and today will be its maiden voyage. I've done about 30-minute ride from Shore Harbour to Wollongong, and it was mint. So looking forward to test it on the way to Sydney. And yeah, so for now we'll just sit here and wait for the others.
One eternity later.
We've just come through the national park, so we've just stopped at, I think we're in Heathcote. So quick little fuel stop, and we're about half an hour away from seeing everyone at the next stop. So it'll be good to see who's there.
Two hours later.
Next one, it's coming.
I'm not kicking it hard enough. My issue, I get really buggered. And then my kicks get softer.
It's alright, I'll make it look like it took one.
And then I need a break.
Alright, so we're just leaving the intersection tavern. Bit of troubles with the bike. A few of the boys out. Bunch of sporties, which is always cool. Ew! Got Jai's freshly painted tins on his 1100 Sporty, looking fucking sick, man. This looks dope. Good to finally get a ride in with ya.
Hell yeah.
Changes the whole bike up having a bit of fucking fresh paint, eh?
Feels like me now, bro.
That's fucking sick, man.
Make sure you check that out.
Sheesh! One of our tour rolls, looking good. And the gloves, getting a nice patina on them.
They are.
Yeah, that's what I love about the fucking tan ones, man. That's fucking sick. Couple of sporties out tonight with us, which is cool. Sarah's got her iron air. What year model is this one? 60?
1969.
69, good year. Not that I would know. Dan's Softail and Evos. Very cool. We just rocked up to Young Henry's. Got another sporty over here. That's sick.
He doesn't want it.
Taz's 30th birthday tonight. Everyone thinks he's gonna bag it up.
Oh, yeah. Sarah, get in there.
Good riding.
Alright, limp on quick.
Yeah, easy then. Still got his choke on. Bike's still looking good, bro. How you doing? Good. Sheesh. that's a wrap for the night. I don't know how cold it is, but fuck. We've just pulled in for a fuel stop. We got most of the Wollongong crew with us now. So we've probably got about an hour and a half left to go. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one.